This week's Trades of the Week, we're going to take a look at some stocks, so some FTSE 100 equities. It's the 18th of May. A lot of these trades triggering really just after the UK election results coming through. So starting off with a short, the only short really to go through at the moment, which is on Anglo American. We had a what's called a swing trade confirmed on the 12th of May. They're 11.32 on the close of that day there, and a very nice move down. It's been since there a good 30-40 pence move, if not more, really down to the lows there on Friday of last week. So a very healthy profit had there. Really on stocks you're looking for a couple of percent, so in this case looking for about 22-23p as the target, so achieving that target within a couple of days on Anglo American there. Really, I guess, as the FTSE has gone a bit sideways, really. Looking through to British Land, a lot of these stocks really getting quite euphoric after the Conservative victory in the UK election, so, and a bit of follow through from that as well. So we gapped up to give us the confirmation on the 8th of May, entering that trade on the close of business here, or the start of the following day, which is Monday the 11th of May. And a really nice move on from there. So from around about 8.40, we're now 8.78. So again, worst case 16 pence profit here, but you could be looking for considerably more. And the market's gone on quite nicely from there, and a very healthy profit on British Land there. HIK, Hikma, a nice move on that one, a bit of a random stock perhaps, but FTSE 100 nonetheless, and again in line with the longer term monthly trend as well. And that's what we try and do with equities. There's so many opportunities out there. We filter them down by looking for the best opportunities in line with the longer term trend of that stock. So we're looking to buy markets which are going up, looking to short markets that are ultimately going down over a longer term basis, and it tends to lead to much smoother profits, smoother equity curve for our accounts there. Hikma 2054 on the 11th of May there, getting into that trade really on the open of this day, and moving from there quite nicely, about 70 pence up based on Friday night's close. So again, that's a good 3.5% of profit there, way in excess of the target that we look for. Hammerson, a nice profit as well. Again, that little blast up on the Friday after the election result, pulling back initially as the but on the other hand sets in, and then the market really moving on forward as we moved into the latter part of last week, moving into a nice target zone as well. So originally entering that trade at about 672p, 690p, that's a 3% move on that market, and a very healthy profit once again. Johnson Matthey, perhaps not done huge amounts after our entry there, buying this market on the 8th of May, again 33.52 the close there, around about that for the entry of the trade. Here the market again moving another 2%, if not more. So from that original entry 33.50, looking for about 60p on this trade, and it does it nicely on Friday, moving about 70p, 65, 70p from that original entry there. So again, nice profit on Johnson Matthey. And then finally, taking us into the last trade for this week's Trades of the Week is Land Securities. Again, buying it on the open of the 11th of May. Again, pulling back on that first day before rallying dramatically last week, and then culminating in a very nice profit as well as that week got going. Another minimum 2% profit on Land Securities as well. So some good moves last week, particularly on the long side, and some very, very good profits for Trend Signal users. And there we are. That's this week's Trades of the Week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.